Hi guys, welcome back. I have some news on the pencils that I wanted to tell you guys and some other really happy news too. But the first thing is I hate being right sometimes. And I've been telling Andy all along the pencils are going to get caught up in the supply chain. And I guess he in China gets different news than we do. I guess in China they're like, oh, keep manufacturing, all is well. Ship out your products. And here in the US, it's doom and gloom if you watch the news, the supply chain is gonna like ruin everybody's Christmas and buy early and all that. I got an email from Andy saying, great news, they arrived in the United States, just like they said they were, and they were supposed to arrive yesterday in the United States. Well, apparently they got there a couple of days early, but in the second, kind of laughed at this, but in another email, he's like, they've been caught up in customs where much of our supplies are being stockpiled is at customs. It's not moving out of there. So I'm afraid I might have been right. Andy told me it shouldn't be a problem. Don't worry about it. And I'm not as optimistic as he is. So I think it's going to be a couple more weeks. He thinks it's going to be a couple more days. I hope he's right. And this is what he does for a living. So hopefully he got it right. And I'm just like worried mom because my babies are stuck in customs. So that's where it's at right now. Now, if they arrive at Amazon and you see them without the code, wait for the code or you're going to be paying full price. I'm going to give you a code that's going to discount them. So wait for the announcement, and believe me, you will get plenty of announcement. I've got it down. I've got them already made, and I just need to fill in the fill in a little bit on it with exact times and dates, and I can have it up on YouTube. I'm going to put it up the moment that I get the email. So usually I do my videos on specific days, Sundays, Wednesdays, Fridays. So, and usually they're in the morning. I'm going to put these announcements up the moment it hits. So I may be putting up an announcement at 2 o'clock in the morning. So as I find out information and as Andy tells me, I promise I will let you guys know. I also have a bit of good news, and I'm still working out the details with Andy, but I wanted your opinion on this. Andy actually sells more products than I do for his social media. He has another set of pencils that are in a canvas bag. I've done videos on them. I've also said that those pencils were surprisingly good. They're very inexpensive, and they are surprisingly good. They're about to run out on Amazon, and Andy has to send another batch to Amazon, and he wants to continue with that satchel. It contains 72 pencils. I thought they were generic pencils, surprisingly good generic pencils, because there's nothing fancy about the pencil at all. But they work really well, and I was like, this is like a little hidden secret, and I said that in my video. Andy is actually the producer of those pencils. He buys these satchels because that's the way the chain goes. You don't make everything, but he is the manufacturer of those pencils, and I guess that's why they were really good. But he says those are his bottom grade pencils. Those are like, and I was like, those are your bottom grade? Pretty nice. But he wants to upgrade them. So he came out with an idea of putting, how he's not going to be selling the StarJoy originals. He's actually thinking about putting the StarJoy originals into that 72 set. Now, here's my question to you guys. He wants me to collate the pencils that go into that set. I have an opinion for you. Now, there is a huge difference in StarJoy Gold and StarJoy Original. I'm not going to say that these are replacement pencils for his new StarJoy. They're not. I've showed you in other videos. They are completely different pencils. But some of them have the same colors. So while we're sort of working out how replacement pencils are going to go. And I'm happy to say that these pencils are not wearing down, and I'm going to show you in a video. They're not wearing down. I'm like at 5 to 6 pictures already with them. Only one pencil is worn down, and that was kind of my fault. But I can actually have replacement pencils put into those satchels. Now they won't have the numbering system, but there'll be a smaller barrel, which is just like the StarJoy originals. In fact, they will be the StarJoy originals, but they'll have pencils that are very close to the pencils that are in the gold. Now, it's not going to have the numbering system, and it's not going to have anything like that, but it will, if you run out of a pencil, give you a replacement until you can get one into your set that's numbered properly. Or do you want just completely different colors or a mixture of them? So he's leaving it wide open to my discretion, but I have to know soon because I really want to get it done. Because of the supply chain, he needs to get manufacturing started on those pencils and get them into the satchels so that he could start shipping on it. So I need what your opinions, because you are the people that count the most on what you think I should do. My next announcement is I am way ahead of myself. This is the first time in years. I don't even remember a time where I have got as many videos in the Quay in YouTube that are already uploaded on YouTube that I could take 2 weeks off, disappear, and you guys wouldn't even know I was gone. That's how many videos I have in there. So what I'm thinking of doing is adding in 1 or 2 videos extra. Now this is going to have to be an extra because I can't put it anywhere else. I already have my weekly slots filled. So you know, some of the videos, I'm back to this comprehensive color blending lessons. They're in there. They're already uploaded. I've got some really super cool products that, because it's that time of year where everybody is scrambling. I've gotten some really funny products offers, like sponsorships. One is super cool that I can't wait to get my hands on. It's so different. But I had a funny one that came. Would I be interested in a cooperation with Fenty Beauty? And they are a famous American company, and they're willing to pay me top dollar for a video on my channel. And I was laughing. I'm like, you are so slimy. Because I just want to tell, some of the people that watch me that have other channels to be careful with what they are doing. And what they are doing is getting you to give them your information, and they're going to have you download. You don't make the video. It's like easy cash. We made the video. You just put it on YouTube. Be very careful, because the minute you download that file, it's going to go right into your system, and they will have access to your information. And that was my little Fenty Beauty. Now, no, I did not download anything. I knew about this. And I get those every other day, or even every day. I'll get that. You can tell the difference between the broken English that you get from these companies that are spam and the real companies that are actually trying to sell their products or show their products and are really interested in a sponsorship. So just watch out for Fenty Beauty. I live here and I don't know what Fenty Beauty is. I'm not a makeup person, but everybody knows what Fenty Beauty is. It's Rihanna's company, the big company that made, who started all the multiple foundations for darker skinned people, for Hispanic people, black people, and really went out there and trying to tell the world there's more than white people, which was a huge problem in darker skinned communities where they couldn't get their foundations to match. And then Rihanna came out with 40 different shades of foundation in one collection. It was really nice, and the products are beautiful. I think this sold at Sephora and on her website, but I digress. So let me see, was there anything else I need to tell you? I remember what my last announcement was. Lately, the lighting on my videos have been a little bit off. And I don't know if you've noticed it, but I've certainly noticed it. I bought a new camera. Unfortunately, with the supply chain, it's not going to be here for several weeks. But I did buy a new camera. It's not the lighting in my room. I just thought it was because I changed the lighting, and I still got that blinking in and out that I noticed. So that's my camera, and it's signaling me that it's going to go. We've had a long relationship. Hang in there, it won't last forever. And I've got like this camera that, and don't ask me what it is because my husband bought it and I don't know these things. It's supposed to have XYZ megapixel hertz capabilities of doing everything. I just want to know if it does my dishes for me, because that's very important. This camera used to do my dishes for me. So that other camera better do it because it was expensive. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will be really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.